Hi all, this video is in connection with my previous video dealing with your anxiety in the right way. And in my previous video also I have mentioned that news channels are flooded with such news which actually increases your anxiety. But instead of letting our anxious thoughts and emotions take the steering wheel of our life and head in the wrong direction, let us stop, pause and work with our anxiety in the right way. First of all, you understand that it's okay to feel anxious. If you're feeling anxious, that is something very normal. It's not abnormal. But when you start noticing that your anxiety is coupled with lack of concentration, racing thoughts, irritation, anger, restlessness, fear, apprehensions, then it is alarming. So now you have to acknowledge your anxiety and finally time to show your anxiety. Who's your boss? Who's the boss? First thing first, cool your mind down. Remove your clouds of worries. Have a clear mindset. This will come with practice. It will not happen all of a sudden. This will come with practice. Follow proper deep breathing. You take deep breath inside, repeat it. It will help you feel in control and clear your mind space for innovative and healthy ideas. One trick for small children, because normally when they indulge in deep breathing, they don't feel very comfortable. Actually, they're very restless. So you can just have a small fun with them. You just draw a rainbow on a chart paper. And then you tell them that there are 7 colors, and what you're going to do, you start with one first color, and till the 7th color you are watching. Slowly you're watching, and till that time you have to hold your breath, and after that you exhale. That inhaling and exhaling, that will be a fun for them. Still, if you feel that they are not having that concentration, you can ask them that in your mind you just read, see the name, see the color, and just say which color is it. So that will be a little bit exciting for them. They'll be happy. This is normally called rainbow breathing. So you can just try this trick with your children so that they are focused and they are meditating properly. Then one thing anxiety does to us is that it takes away it takes us away from the reality and our current situation. Actually, in this situation, we have to think that action binds anxiety. I mean, if you take appropriate action, you know what you are doing. This will calm you down, and this technique will surely help you. All you have to do is acknowledge few things around you. You can see, you can touch around you, and hear, smell and taste the things. This technique will make use of all your senses and give you the idea that we are in control of our reality. Actually, people, they have started imagining the worst part. So control your nerves, control your senses, and trust that Almighty is there and things are going to take the right shape in the due course. And which personally I feel, which is my stress buster, tune into music. Music is something very divine. It is a therapy. And when we indulge in music, any music which you like, that's up to you. It may be music filled with rhythm, loud music, slow music, sad music, happy music. It all depends on your mood and taste. But music is something very, very divine, and I advise you to tune into music. Listen to any soothing number which will calm and soothe your nerves. So these are my small, simple tips. Keep smiling, spread cheerfulness around you. This shall also pass. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Step out of your home only if it is very, very necessary. My prayers are with you all. God bless you all. Thank you.